Hello student, how are you all? Today in this video we are going to start chapter number 18 of grammar, and the name of chapter is adverbs. Student, the word itself says add verb, means to add something more to the verb to make it more meaningful. Okay, add plus verb, adverbs. So the words that add something more to the verb or the meaning of a verb, adjectives, or the other adverbs in the sentence are called adverbs. Okay, so in this chapter we are going to see about adverbs. Let's start the chapter. Adverbs. See, adverbs are the word that modify or add to the meaning of the verb, adjectives, or the other adverbs in the sentence. Okay, just as I said that the words which add something more, okay, means to the meaning of the words or the adjectives or the adverbs in the sentence, that all words are called adverbs. They are used to add something more to the words or verbs, adjectives, or the adverbs in the sentence. Okay, for example, I want that book now. Okay, I want the book, but when now, so this now adds something more to the verb book. Okay, so that now is adverb, which is adding something more to the book. The story is very interesting. Okay, the story is interesting, but how it's very interesting, so this very adds something more to the meaning of the story or meaning of the story. So this verb very is adverb. Nitya danced gracefully. Okay, here gracefully adds something more to the dance of Nitya. So this Nitya's dance becomes, we can know something more about her dance. How she danced? Gracefully. So this gracefully is adverb. He reached home quite late. He was late, but how? Quite late. So this quite adds something more to the meaning of late. Okay, so the words like now, very, gracefully, quite, this all are used as an adverb in those sentences. See, next, there are several types of adverbs. The major types are, okay, in grammar there are many types of adverbs are there, but there are 5 major types of adverb which we are going to learn in this chapter. They are adverb of time, adverb of place, adverb of manner, adverb of degree, and adverb of frequency. These are the 5 main types of adverbs which we are going to see in this chapter, or else or otherwise there are many types of adverbs. From that, these 5 important or the major types of adverbs we are going to see. One by one we will see on. The first one, adverb of time. See, adverb of time tells us something about the time of an action happened. Okay, adverb of time, it is telling us that when the action is happened. Okay, kab hua tha. The adverb of time tells us that when the action was happened. Okay, time of an action. They can answer the question when. Okay, when you will ask a question with when, the answer you will get is adverb of time. It will be adverb of time. Let's see by the example. Are you going to Kolkata tomorrow? Tomorrow. It shows the one time. Okay, and ask the question with when. When are you going to Kolkata? Answer is tomorrow. The tomorrow is adverb of time. Okay, because it says the action or it says the time of an action. Okay, leave this place now. Okay, it is also used as an adverb of time, at this present time. Leave the place now. Now means at this present time. Okay, go back later. Okay, not at this present time but later. Okay, so this words like now, later, tomorrow, yesterday, previous day, last week, last month, this all are used as an adverb of time, and the use of adverb of time is to tell us when the action is done, and they answer the question when. ये कब एक्शन कब हुआ था ये दिखाने के लिए हम एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम यूज़ करते हैं. नेक्स्ट, एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस. सी, एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस टेल्स अस अबाउट द प्लेस वेयर एक्शन हैपेंड. दे आंसर्स द क्वेश्चन वेयर. ओके, एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस टेल्स अस दैट वेयर द एक्शन हैपेंड. ओके, कहाँ हुआ था एक्शन. पहले एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम्स टेल्स अस कब हुआ था. नाउ कहाँ हुआ था. इट टेल्स वेयर द एक्शन हैपेंड एंड इट आंसर्स द क्वेश्चन वेयर. Okay, when you will ask a question with where, you will get the answer, that is adverb of place. See, Sumit walked away from here means any other place. Okay, so this away is used as an adverb of place. Ask a question with where Sumit walked away. Walked, answer is away. See, next one, when will you go back. Okay, now here the back is used as an place, at your own place means when you will go back to your place. Okay, so here go back is used as an adverb of place. I want to sit somewhere means any place. Okay, it shows the place. Okay, where you want to sit somewhere. Okay, so this always, go back, somewhere is used as an adverb of place. They answer the question where, and adverb of place is used to show where the action had happened. Okay, next we are going to see is adverb of manner. See, adverb of manner tells us about the way something happened. They answers the question how. Adverb of manner used to tell how the action had happened. कैसे हुआ था. फर्स्ट, कब हुआ था. सेकेंड, where, कहाँ हुआ था. नाउ, how, कैसे हुआ था. Okay, see, adverb of manner tells that how the action happened, कैसे हुआ था, and they answers the question how. See, most of the adverbs are formed by adding ly to the adjectives. Okay, you want to form the adverbs, then just most of, not all, most of the adjectives, when you put ly to that, it becomes adverbs. See, examples of adverb of manner. Walk quickly. How, कैसे चल रहा है. Quickly. She got up lazily from the bed. How she got up. Lazily. We must treat animals gently. How must we treat animals gently. Run fast. How you run, or how must we run fast. Okay, so this word quickly, lazily, gently, fast, these are the adverbs of manner, and they shows how the action is done. Okay, कैसे हुआ था. Now next is adverb of degree. See, adverb of degree tells us that the degree or an intent of to which something happened. They can answer the question how much. Okay, कितना हुआ था, कब हुआ था, कहाँ हुआ था, कैसे हुआ था, अब कितना हुआ था. Okay, adverb of degree tells us that how or what was the degree of an action, or what was the extent of the action, कितना हुआ था, and they answer the question how much. See, Sushma completely cleaned my cupboard. How much she had cleaned? Completely. Okay, they hardly knew about their competitions. How much they knew about their competition? Hardly, very rarely, thoda hi. Okay, he is quietly unhappy about the money he got. How much he was happy? Quietly unhappy. Okay, so completely, hardly, quietly, these are the adverbs of degree. They shows that how much something or how much the action was happened. They are used to show how much the action was happened, and they answers the question how much. Okay, so we need to show the degree of the action or the extent of the action. We use adverb of degree. Now last, adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency tells us how often something happens. Okay, यू कैन से अक्सर, कितनी बार हुआ था, या फिर अक्सर होता रहता है, ऐसा. हाउ ऑफन इट हैपन्स, कितनी बार. ओके, एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी टेल्स दैट हाउ मेनी टाइम्स द एक्शन हैपन. ओके, और हाउ मेनी टाइम्स इट वॉज रिपीटेड, और अक्सर होता रहता है, रेयरली हैपन्स. टू नो दैट एक्शंस वी यूज एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी. सी, I often think of visiting Kerala. Often. The king sometimes travelled in disgust. Sometimes. Arif rarely got a chance to meet his uncle. Rarely. Okay. So, often, sometimes, rarely. This shows adverb of frequency. Means अक्सर होता रहता है ऐसी एक्शंस. या फिर टू नो कितनी बार, how many times it happens. Okay, we use adverb of frequency. So student, this was the chapter adverb and the main 5 adverbs: adverb of time, adverb of place, adverb of manner, adverb of degree, and adverb of frequency. Hope you all got it, and the exercise part you will get in PDF, and the next chapter we will see in the next video. Thank you.